Hello, today I will show you a basic navigation through HUDL. HUDL is a video service tool for coaches, athletes, and physical education classrooms to review game footage and team play. What is shown here is the main feature for HUDL, the video library. To access this library after logging in, look for the toolbar, which will also be found at the top of the HUDL homepage. Select Video, then Library from the drop-down list. On the right side of the library page, you will see your library list, which contains all the video footage uploaded to your team or class profile. To view a specific video, scroll the library list and select the game by opponent or date. After selecting, it will reveal the options of game footage, practice footage, or opponent footage if uploaded. To start the video, simply select the option, then the title, and the film will automatically begin to play. As we look to the bottom of the video player, we see it contains a few features to modify how you view the footage. To the left, you have the playback tools for the video: slow rewind, fast rewind, slow forward, fast forward, play or pause, previous clip, next clip, and restart clip. On the right, you have the full screen option and video player settings. In the video player settings, you can change the playback mode to play clips continuously, play clips once at a time, or loop clips. There's also a graphic tool area where you can insert graphics into the video. To use these tools, simply pause the video where you wish to insert the graphic. For spot shadow, click the spot shadow button, then click and drag the spot to the player you want to highlight. To show a direction or design of a play, use the drawing tool to draw or insert a line. Click and drag to create the line. When played back, the video will pause where the graphic is inserted. A student, athlete, coach, or teacher can use this time to provide feedback about the play until they wish to resume the video. A player, coach, or teacher can also leave a comment within the video by using the text note tool. Like other graphic tools, you simply click and drag to the desired spot and then enter your comment. Again, replay, and the video will pause at the graphic. And that's the basic navigation of HUDL. Thank you for watching.